If I had to describe myself with one word, I would choose capable.
Ambitious.
Perceptive.
Passionate.
Diligent.
Proactive.
Adventurous.
Persistent.
Having the attitude to excel in whatever I do is a key attribute that pushes me to strive for the best in both academic and non-academic pursuits. I believe having excellent academic performance, clear aspiration, and commitment to society are the reasons why I'm being chosen as the most outstanding PolyU student. It is a great honor for me to receive this award, as it serves a great motivation for me to live out my beliefs and continue to serve the society.
One major attribute of an outstanding student is to stay hungry, meaning to keep our eyes and the mind open and believe we can always do better. It's very important to step out of the comfort zone and aim high. In this way, every step we take is a step towards achieving the goals, which hopefully will be something bigger and better than the current state.
An outstanding student should be a curious person who embraces challenges, affects others positively, and is willing to learn from failure. Curiosity keeps us moving forward and be proactive. Opens up new worlds with possibilities as well as bring excitements into our lives. Every time we ask questions, we challenge ourselves for answers. We may encounter difficulties in the process, but we could also learn from it. Failure will only make one stronger and better.
I was thrilled to learn that I was selected for the HSBC Social Work Scholarship, and I'm deeply grateful for the donors' generous donation. The scholarship not only acknowledged my efforts put into studies, but also encouraged me to work harder to become a serious social worker and inspired me to give back to the community.
The valuable project experiences on machine learning and data mining that I have obtained from the IST exchange program in Germany has not only posed a positive impact on my future career development, but also strengthened my intercultural adaptability and communication skills.
On the first day of my food and beverage course, the instructor invited us to a complimentary fine dining lunch at Bistro 1979, the training restaurant of PolyU. The instructor spoke to us about the basics of service, that is, before serving others, one should first know how to be served as a customer. His words still stay in my mind till this day and always remind me to put myself into others' shoes while serving with a genuine heart.
With my strong passion in sustainability, my goal is to influence people to take the initiative to limit food waste. After my return from the Sweden exchange, I gathered a few friends with similar minds to put forward the idea I have into reality. Our mission is to pair restaurants with people, enabling the latter to purchase surplus food at a discounted price.
To cope with rapid urbanization, cities must be well prepared for the mobility of the expanding population. My goal is to become a scientist, leveraging cutting-edge technology to learn, improve, or even redefine urban mobility. I will further my study and research in transportation and emerging technology to put forward my plan.
I aspire to set up an education-related enterprise where I can contribute to the society through projects targeting the local secondary school students. I hope that students can improve their self-confidence and intercultural competence through experiential learning. At the moment, I'm actually working with a few friends who share the same vision on planning some concrete projects for the near future.